One of the first things we have to do before we can start doing data analysis with Python is download the proper tools. One of the main ones is Anaconda, which is really an all-in-one package that comes with Python pre-installed and Jupyter Notebook that allows us to do data analysis. So we're going to go ahead and install Anaconda by pressing download Anaconda. We're going to skip registration. And then depending on your platform, you download the one that is for you. So I'm going to download it for my version. And one thing to note is that Anaconda takes around 5 GB of space. So you really have to make sure that you have enough space on your computer to support the installation. So my installation uh, is right here. I'm going to press continue, continue, continue. Feel free to read this if you want. I'm going to select install for all users on this computer. And like I said, it takes around 5 GB of space on your computer. So, make sure you have that space available. Press install. And this should take around 5 minutes as well. Um, it's really downloading everything you need to get um, Python working and to be able to import data sets and then do data analysis on it, uh, run some statistical analysis on it. So we're going to wait for this to finish. For me, it's saying it's going to take less than a minute, so I'll just wait. Once the installation is complete, you can press continue and then open Anaconda through by searching for it or looking for it in your apps. For me, it's over here. It should be called the Anaconda Navigator. And this is really where what we're going to use for everything, mainly to do to create graphs, to import data sets. This is where we'll write Python code. So it's important that you familiarize yourself with the Anaconda Navigator. I think the first time it opens up, it takes some time. So I'll just give it a few minutes. Right. So this is what your screen should look like once you launch Anaconda Navigator. As I said, it's sort of an all-in-one package. It has a lot of things, but uh, we're only going to use something called Jupyter Lab. Just to give you an idea of what else Anaconda Navigator has is something called RStudio, which is another programming language that's specifically for statistics. We have some other libraries that are used just for data visualizations. Um, but we can also just do that with Jupyter Lab. Um, so make sure that once you've installed Anaconda Navigator, you see this Jupyter Lab tile.